You say you want growth, but you're still accepting late wake ups, poor journaling, missed setups, impulsive trading, skipping your reviews, revenge trading, letting your emotions run the show, drinking, taking drugs, out every weekend, indulging in food, not looking after your health. You name it. But let me tell you something. You don't rise to your goals, okay? You fall to your standards. And you've all heard that as well. You don't rise to your goals, you fall to your standards. And if you're still accepting the bare minimum from yourself, the market will too. And I'm not talking about just the trader market, I'm talking about the world we live in. It will just simply match your discipline. It will simply mirror your commitment. Nothing more. So you have to understand that change only happens when you stop tolerating the version of you that keeps settling. The version of you that says, oh, it's just one bad trade. Oh, you know what? I'll journal tomorrow. You know what? This one time I'll break my rule. Let me try this out. Because that voice is the one robbing you of everything that you're trying to build. So if you want transformation, guys, real, irreversible transformation, you've got to raise the bar. You've got to raise the bar. And from this point forward, no more allowing excuses to sound logical. I mean, how does that even sound logical? How do people make excuses sound logical? But it's the truth, right? No more giving yourself a way out. No more being okay with showing up 70% and hoping for 100% results. If you want to change your life, or your results, should I say, you got to start by changing what you allow. Because until you do that, nothing's going to change. But the moment that you decide to expect more from yourself and demand more, everything changes. Everything. And that's the shift. That's the standard. And this is about more than trading. Okay, I'm talking to you like my brothers and sisters here. This is about rewriting your entire story from today. Right? You dreaming like a millionaire. I get it. You all believe you're going to be successful. Get multiple funded accounts. Make X amount of money. But the problem is you're moving like a minimum wage version of yourself. And not once did I say you have to make the money. You have to shift your identity. You have to raise your standards so that you're no longer moving like the minimum wage version of yourself. And that's the truth. And this is where the average trader gets stuck, right? They hit a goal, they stop pushing, they think, I've made it. But you see the top 1%, guys, they don't stop, they expand. They don't 2x, they 10x, right? They don't just say, I want to get funded. They say, I want 5 200K accounts. I want to scale to 7 figures. I want to trade at an institutional level. And this is not for the clout, but this is for the impact, for the freedom, for the standard that they hold themselves to. So I'm calling you up today and I'm asking you a question. What is your real goal? Because if your goal is freedom, your effort needs to match that. If your goal is 10K months, why are you showing up as if you want 500 months? And this is where the switch flips. You cannot, from today, continue to think small. You cannot continue to treat trading like a hobby. There's no more talking about big goals and then executing with tiny energy. From now on, guys, you have to operate at the level of your ambition, not the level of your comfort, not the level of your excuses, the level of your vision. Right? You've got to move like the person who's already funded and scaled even before you get there, who's already built multiple streams of income before you even get there, who's already retired their parents before you even get there, living life on your terms before you even get there. This is not about waiting to feel ready. In actual fact, you're never going to feel ready. You may come off this call and feel motivated and ready, but it's about the consistency that happens after this session. And you don't need to wait for permission.